But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl D. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D. I am here today with
D Shore Extreme.
yeah. So spell it for them, make them know how it go.
DEEHSORXTREME.
Alright guys, so a screenshot of his page will be on the screen. I want you guys to go follow him. Please subscribe, and support the man channel. Alright, thank you.
Skill.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's story is gonna be about when I was accused of sleeping with my cousin. No, my cousin cute bad. He is a boy, but what I know is we not grow together. We never grow together. So I don't know what thing go. However, I'm around 10 or 13, one of them age, I don't remember. And my cousin him did love me half and me did love him half. I not tell no lie. Because he did love me half and me did love him half. And me used to go back to him yard. Because up there we used to play and something. What if we know? But about him, I used to play mostly. Going on hammock and sitting on his sister. And them really close friend. Them time they still a friend close and stuff. But them time they really close, I can't really little and play enough and so. You know them way there? So we out to film place. Says I from with the liquor with the love of each other. But me never know until me like 13. So that's what's a boom now. And me end up left down there and then come back to Manchester. And then me go back down there. Me go back down there one New Year's, I think. I remember. I think I did New Year's me go back down there. When I go back down there now, I see my cousin. My cousin look good, I not tell lie. Me not tell no lie, my cousin look proper. The boy cute and nice and the boy body stay good. And my cousin me tell about a me love off the boy. The boy they love me up too, you know. So they don't know how to go. I don't know what to do, but them time I know I did have age for can do liquor. You know what? But them not going to draw the story, but just going to tell the story plain and simple and straightforward and nice and spicy and stuff. So I understand. Me say push come to shove me, my cousin that text my phone and so. We are going, because guess what? We know say we are cousin, but we never two grow together, we never have a cousin love there. You know what them way there? To me, him did coming more like a guy when I see him like, and I saw we look at each other. Cause I know young enough to look at nothing and I say like, you know me wrong or I'm not for do it or I'm a cousin. Me never business. I never care. But me never know something could have shame so yet. Me not going to joke it, no wait for it. My mother know. My mother terrible, bad, like really terrible. My real mother, I don't come meet she when I was 13, because I never go with my real mother either. Because when I talk about the my real mother side of family, so you know, say, I never know them, I never know my real mother, I never know nothing about none of them. So it's like, that love that we're supposed to have with that side of family, they for connect and so it's not dead there. In that weird day, I just like, you know what, you don't know how I talk about, you know where I go. Because you have to take a while to get to know people. I love people, I say, you can just meet somebody today and then tomorrow you're just deadly in love. It don't work, so not well. My heart not too really work that way there. So I'm going to boom back flick and splat out. Yeah. I'm here to tell you say no. Girl, my cousin. I text up on my phone and something, you know, girl, my dear Manchester, my cousin, I text me and I say, if I want him come up and come look for me or something. I say, no, son, I come, if you come, we can do a little touching and so. And, but you kind of afraid that the little touching and so, cause, you know what you mean? I say, but what if we are cousin for true? And I never really understand it them time, them, or we related them. I understand now how we related. But you kind of too understand still, but I never too really that pay. You know, I don't know pitness stay. With about 15, 16, one of them age, I don't too remember. So anyways, my tell my cousin look damn good. My cousin have nice Indian, nice ear. And the boy have bandy leg. And the boy have one nice chocolate color. And the boy just looks so beautiful. Yeah. So, one night, no. Don't know what going on. One night, no. So I'm not just so much. I go in the story straightforward, pretty and simple and fast and nice. One night, no. My cousin text me on my phone. And say, me if come look for him. No people, my mother terrible bad. My mother used to lick me down. Hard. So me did quad bad and come on to she. But me that said me I go screech out, go look for my cousin because I love the boy. So, I'm trying to say, him did the over goofy boy yard or whatever boy want him. So, me screech go over there. Go meet up my cousin. When you go over there now, me I tell you the honest truth now. Truth me I tell you now. We a kiss up and so. Yeah, with a kiss up and go on. With a kiss up and thing. Me my cousin a kiss up and something, you know. But honestly to God, if you goofy boy did that, we could do the part because me did afraid because me that said to him say, what if goofy boy go tell back somebody say we come over there and do things like that. Me go get licked. I say, my mother will murder me. Oi. So said I so done. Goofy boy could hold for him up. No, wait, I think I him did talk, you know. I think a goofy boy first did bust it out. I never know how it go. But somebody talk. Mama, it better me to take the little something. Honestly, it better me to take the little D and just go on and just feel good about it. You don't know what say. Goofy boy. Or the boy, I never know which of them do it, you know. But somebody go tell somebody, and that somebody they tell somebody, and that somebody. And I saw it start spread. Listen, me I telling you some screechy go meet the boy like 8 o'clock. I used to by 8 o'clock in the morning, everybody know. Everybody have it attack say me and my cousin have sex. No, my mother would be her terrible self because she never really asked me nothing. She just come start accuse me, tell me how me nasty, I'm this and how. Me one only for word calling and name calling and buffing and buffing me get master. So me I sleep with my cousin. Them the time they no people. Honestly, as me tell you now, me and him did kiss up and so me not gonna tell no lie. We did kiss up and them something there. But the truth is, me da around 15 or 14. Me not too remember the age. I'm gonna know that 13. I'm did it for 1 year. So I think me da 14 or so or 15. And the truth is, me didn't like him, like really like him. Cause I never know it, like I never grow with him. Like I have some cousins them come out and Trey and Timbo and Marvin and them one day. Me would have never like try them something there with them. Cause I grow with them, me and them going at the same house. Me know them, me love me like me know them different and know say. You know about him now, me just meet him. So he did come like say, you know what, I'm a boyfriend, it never feel like I'm a cousin. So anyways now me with my enough self now. My mother give me some rattle, my mother give me some liquor. When my mother hear my mother come down my yard, and she go on. And she go up on the boy yard and she say, I told me couldn't find the boy. And mother go on, you know. Mother go on. People, up to them I shame when I go there because sometimes I feel like some people remember have it in the back of them head say me and the boy they do things. But me really not care, you know, because as I tell you, yes, we did kiss up and so. Because me did like him and him did like me. But the truth is, the sex part, it never work. Because the reason why we never do it so, is because him never have no boots. Him never have none. And him did want go bareback. I said to him, say no, like we can't do it that way because me not get pregnant, me not breed, me not idiot, me never that look listen. Me never did plan for breed, you know. Me never did plan for breed. Me did afraid of pregnancy, me did afraid of infection. And I tell him say no, we can't do it so. Cause him never have no condom on. And I said no, we can't do it. And him say honestly, him never that pressure me. Never that pressure me. We lie down and then we lie down in our hammock. And we chat and we laugh, And then he say he might go over grandma, I think. And then me say, me I come over there, but we couldn't go over there together because we start feel guilty now and we know. So we never did want to go over grandma together. So I think him did go over grandma first and then me did walk around and then go down a grandma and me go over go back up on him and no really back up on him because I didn't know same how did but we go over there but we never go over there together and so. And honestly, me don't know who the hell go tell back people say me and him the things but people me get some lick for someone me never did do and I from did this for me know say people wicked but and I from did this so me no hide and do no from did this so me tell myself say if me go do something me go get lick feet me I go get lick feet or me now go get no lick feet because guess what if somebody I go tell like I'm 24 and this is the reason I stay or me stay now because me hate when people accuse me. I hate being accused of something when me know me no do. Me no want nobody come rub it in my face and talk about how you do it me no do nothing. Me no do no don't come tell me some of the things cause you never see me, you never did a little show, you never did it, so now come tell me some me do nothing. I don't like on the style. And honestly up to today I'm sorry me never did do it. Cause look, me you the breed you know. I would breed at 2 times, me ever breed and 2 picking him have so obviously me never did for breed for him, so I would breed. But if me did know and yes that me say if me did know, me then probably sleep with my cousin them time there. Cause I get one with pallet producer and then with and him did love me and me did love him back. And it might sound nasty now, but it don't nasty. It don't nasty. And I like when they grow together like whatever. And I far cousin too. And I really not near cousin. And I'm not near cousin. I like great grand I'm a great grand cousin I think. Great grand cousin or great grand cousin. One of type two of them. And I like I know close cousin business. Yes, yes, I'm a grand never forget that too much detail. But a great grand cousin business. And me get some murderation for it. Oh man. Me not put myself in a situation again. Me not ask Jesus, never. Not do it, man. Me get some big lick, man. And me feel shame, man. Me never feel so shame yet in a while. I mean, I gotta do enough things. My shame tree not easy to pray with, you know. I will me shame. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Remember to watch the video till the end. I kind of feel a little bit down now and way still because people are messing on my page, but big up on yourself and I love you. Bam. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a story time. However, I'm just gonna be talking to you guys about something that I've seen happen over and over and over, and it's just so hard to see stuff like this and not say anything. So I'm gonna say something. No, I've grown to realize that you cannot live to please people. Ever live to please people. Now imagine, I'm gonna give you guys a scenario and I want you guys to imagine. Imagine being that friend that gets up every single day and you're legit crowing. Like it or not, you're crowing. You don't sound good. When you're singing, you be like, I know the Lord will make a way for me. Let it sink. Let it sink. That is how you sing. That is how you get on expressing yourself to letting everybody know that I want to be a singer. I want to be an artist. I want to go out and I want to get that and I want to get this. But because according to your friend that is popular, you can't sing, it don't sound good. You flare up in your feelings and you feel hurt. And you feel like, oh my God, like this person say I can't sing, so it means that I cannot sing. And you know, has dead cow fat, the devil killed Jesus and one only for foolishness. Let me tell you this. If you aspire to be something. You cannot stop in the middle of it because people say, you don't sound good. Or you're not gonna make it. Or you sound stupid. Or you don't sound like somebody. Or whatever them have to say about you to make them talk. Because at the end of the day, they're only saying that because they don't have the courage and the strength that you have to get up and try to chase something that you want. They don't have that, so they will try to tear you down. They will try to make you feel like you are the worst. They will try to make you feel like, oh my God, I cannot do this right, or I cannot do that right. But at the end of the day, all you have to do is pray and have faith and know, say, you're gonna make it. Let me go on one joke. I remember when I was pregnant with my daughter, Ariana, and me used to sit down in my yard, and every day me used to depend, oh God, I want to do this, and oh God, I want to do that, and oh God, I want to do this, and oh God, I want to do that. And I never used to get up and actually try to figure out how me I go do it. You understand? Me used to just sit down and say, I want to do this, I want to do that, but I don't take the step, the necessary steps to get to where I want to go. Until me sit down and me say, no man D, you're not going good at all, mama. You're not going good. And nobody ask me who vex, because me vex. You're not going good, sister D. Me no like your carry on. And then me stop. And me say back up. But if me want to be an artist and me sit down and me no go studio, and me no write 2 songs, and me no do a couple freestyles, nobody now go see me. I remember me broke my poor and paparazzi. So, if people not see me, me not know where I go. Nowhere I go. You don't know where me start do? Me get up. I get up. And I start posting my my 1 and 2 song them when me do them also. Because me tell myself, say, you see? One. Me can't afford to want something so bad. And sit down and can't look for it. Not true. And then me say, no man. This don't look right. This don't smell good. This don't sit down properly for me at all. And then me tell myself, say, I am no longer a slave. I need to get up and I need to go after what I want. And people, that is the reason why I'm so strong today. Because you see the struggles that when me go through in life, and them build me. I remember this, you can never be strong if you don't go through failure. Failure a stepping stone. And if you don't fail, you can't rise. If you don't fail, you cannot rise. Wait now, I have a friend. And my friend said to me, say, girl, when make you do yourself up on the internet, you're brawling, and sometimes I can't make people know say me and your friend are so sweet a joke, you know. Me and the cat did, we never really fall out about it because she never come to my face, come tell me, but it's like she talk it and other people hear, and the people then when she talk it with them come back come tell me that she say. I never bother beat up my chest or kill up myself, but just love it because I mean, you never say to my face, me don't have an argument. I just talk where I talk. Zin? You talk, I make other people hear and people come back come tell me, but once somebody can sit down and chat people, you have to agree or disagree. It's either at the end of the conversation, me and you still a friend or we're not friends, but once somebody cannot sit down and chat people, so me now didn't know, you know, I say nothing, I just love it. Because I say, alright, my lord, I'm a vulgar, I'm this, I'm that. And right now, I the same person still I text my phone and I beg my shout out. And I tell me about my friend. When they turn millionaire, don't left me out. I want to little something. You know them way there? I have a few people, you know, where I not tell no lie. Them they did and said they push. But you have some people, oh God have mercy, man. Now work. Anyways, people, a story time I did say, so let's jump right into the story.